Welcome back. Big blow to gay community. The Supreme Court has discarded petitions seeking a review of its judgment on Section 377. The Apex Court in December 2013 had struck down an earlier Delhi High Court decision that decriminalized gay sex. Goa India are the new champions of football in the Lusophonia world. The hosts defeated Mozambique by 3-2 in an exciting final at Nehru Stadium on Tuesday evening. Meldon De Silva, Brendan Fernandes and Myron Fernandes scored for Goa to take the home team to a memorable triumph in Lusophonia Games 2014.
Led out to the pitch by the officials in charge. India to the left, Mozambique to the right. Now the Goa India team being introduced by the captain of the team, which is Mandar Rao Dattarao Desai. This is Neto, the coach for Goa India. Here is Fernandes and it's headed away, and a clutter down there as the Goa India boys are celebrating.
The throw-in coming from Sunday, headed back by Norberto, and there is a beautiful left-footed number 10, Tercio Matimbe. 3 shots he had fired earlier with the ball, and there's that fumble, and unfortunately, he uses the hand. That's a deliberate movement of the hand. The intention is very clear, and now the penalty has been given. It seems that the wonder boy of Indian football here, Brandon Fernandes, will be the one who will be coming on. Slot the ball home!
Sports-loving Chief Minister of Goa, who's made it all happen, these Lusophonia games.
But that is once again Brendan at his very best. Opens that space.
Into open space on the flank. Here comes the cross, and this one has gone in.
And there is the grand finale, and the Indian campaign's jubilation. Al Nehru Stadium in Fatorda in Goa.
And this man, Francisco Neto, has done wonderfully with these boys. He's trained them, and 32-year-old from Lisbon in Portugal, as he has lifted him up.
I congratulate the team. We also didn't expect this, but I think Indian teams are improving a lot.
Meanwhile, Sri Lanka won the football bronze medal by defeating Macau by 3-0. Bureau Report, Prudent.
All Goa Scrap Dealers Association held a morcha in Mapsa demanding regularization of scrapyards. They have asked government to grant them license and stop illegal action against the scrap dealers. President of the association Mahmood Khan said government department refused to grant license and only a few panchayats give them permissions to function.
आम्ही 35-40 वर्ष even some scrapyards, थोड़े scrapyards, some scrapyards before liberation also. तभी से हम लोग we are doing this business here. We are going to every department to ask that permission each and every, but till today nobody is accepting, nobody is giving anything, any document for us. Only Panchayat NOCs, some ones or 50% people Panchayat NOCs we are having. 50% people, but remaining licenses, whatever, according to high authorities, they call that is the main permission. We are not getting that. I do not know why, because we are having right to do any type of business, but why these people are not giving no documents till today.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.